I'm going to ask you about crypto and Bored Apes. John, people betting on $250 oil? What do you make of that? Somebody got drunk and threw some trades on?
Well, if it was just 10 or 20,000, I'd say, yeah, that could be, Brian, even though that's still a lot of money. But $850,000, that sounds like somebody that's a little more serious. I don't think we get there, but any pop in crude would send those contracts probably double, maybe even triple that initial bet. So would you put $800,000 down to make $2.4 million? I bet you would. I think that's what it is, Brian.
If I had it, but no, these are big bets and amazingly bullish. All right. By the way, that trader, if that pays off, they'll have enough money to buy Bored Ape NFTs. They can increase their trading activity on OpenSea. Talk to us about OpenSea, NFTs, Silvergate Capital. We just talked to Mark about Bitcoin, but man, there's a lot of other stuff happening.
Yeah, Mark Yusko's a really smart dude on crypto or digital assets. And even though he was mainly sounding like a maximalist, or at least Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ethereum is really where a lot of the juice comes from with these NFTs, Brian. And so that Bored Apes thing that's really captured the fancy of at least the people that are trading NFTs, those non-fungible tokens, that trading has just exploded. And to see a 900% surge in volume for that tells you that, it's the march of the ants. It's millions of people that are now focused in on these NFTs. And the fact that they like these sort of psychedelic colored Bored Apes and so forth, I guess just continues to drive gas fees up. That's a usage fee, more or less, for Ethereum and so forth. And we're seeing a lot of that right now.
Quickly, talk to us about Riot. It is soaring. It's been a riot,
Sure.
and I guess a good riot, if there is such a thing.
Yeah, Riot Blockchain and Marathon, MARA, both of them getting huge bets, not as big as that oil bet that you just described, but in the case of Riot, they're buying the calls that were on Friday's close, at least the close on the exchanges, of $50 for those. They're also buying the 60 strike in Mara, and both of those in the pre-Brian, based on the bounce, are moving higher.